Welcome back, friends. In this lecture we are going to learn the basic font formatting, and I have written up all those types here. The formatting type is font. Now in the first is font type. You can change the font type from this option. You can click on this drop down arrow and may have Arial Black or Arial Nova or Arial Rounded type or brand shift. You can have these fonts. So let me have Arial font, Arial Black font here so that it is distinctly visible. Bold. To make a bold, you can click on this bold so that you can see the text becomes little darker. And to remove the bold, you can click again back bold. So I'll click bold for this. Then italics. Italics, you click I here on the same font. I means you see the character little tilted, or if you click it back again, it will become normal. So italic. Underline, click U for underline. If you click it back again, the line goes off. So underline. Font size. You can increase or decrease or change font size from here according to your choice. Let us say here it is font size 16. I'll make it 16. Font size increase. Another option to increase the font size is just adjacent to 12 drop down. Here you can see A is written, capital A. Click on this capital A to increase the font size. Font size decrease. Another A is written adjacent to the capital A. Another small size capital A. That is to decrease the size. You click on that A. The size goes on decreasing like this. Cell color. As you see the yellow color on the top cell, I want to fill the cell color here also. Let us fill with red color. I'll select here red color to fill the cell as red color. Font and text color. Adjacent to fill color there is a A. You can click on this and make the color of the text as red, or let me say here I would like to make it blue. I'll make the text color blue. And borders. Here is an option for borders. When you click this drop down arrow, all border options comes up. Here is an option called all borders. When I click on this all border, I see that the border of this particular cell appears. If I want to make all of these cells in borders, I have to select all these cells like this, and I have to click back again on this all borders, and now you see all the cells are having borders. But you see I want to have the outside of the top cell as dark borders, thick outside borders, and rest all again as thick outside borders. So this make only outer border as thick outside border and inner border as light. And let me reduce a little size of font size increase so that it fits in the cell. I'll practice out what we learned up here. It says that make me bold, so I'll click on bold. Italics, I'll click on italics. Underline, I click on underline. Font as Arial, I'll select font size here as Arial. And color cell green. I'll fill the green color inside the cell. Let us say this green. Now it says also apply dark boundary. Dark boundary. I would like to have this boundary as dark. I'll select this and I'll make this boundary here as thick outside border. I'll select this here and made a thick outside border. Now it is a thick outside border. Now the below line says apply above formatting to this statement also. So I have also already almost made 5 to 10 changes in the above. So to make those changes in the below statement, I'll go here. There is an option called format printer. When I select the cell where I have made the changes, then I go to format printer. I click on format printer. Then I click the target cell. And the target cell will make all those changes visible as we make in the source cell. So this is all about font formatting. That's all in this video. We'll be meeting in the next video and learn about alignment formatting.